Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can install CapCut application on iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write comments under this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's get down to our topic for today. And in order to install the app or Photoshop CapCut, you're going to have to first open the App Store. The App Store is the app store that's on any iPhone. This is the factory app. You'll be able to easily find it. Then down here on the right-hand side, go to the search option. And at the top of the search box, type in the word CapCut. Then scroll through to find this application. I unfortunately don't have it showing the App Store for some reason, but I'll show you on another app how the process actually works. So open CapCut, after which click right here the word install. And if you have some kind of security like I do, I have it, let's say Face ID. You're going to have to go through Face ID, or you're going to have to enter some sort of password. It could be your phone password or it could be your Apple ID password. And once you do that, you're going to start the process of downloading this app. And as you can see, you'll be able to watch this download process. It also tells you the time, how long the app has left to download. And once the app is downloaded to your iPhone, you'll be able to open it without leaving the App Store. You'll see an open section here. Alternatively, you'll be able to find this app on your work screen, let's say. Or if you can't find it on your desktop screen, then you'll need to swipe down on your iPhone screen and type the word CapCut into the search box. This way you will find this app that has been installed. This is the way, friends, you will be able to install the CapCut app on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.